Good morning, students. Welcome to you all in bio class. Today we are going to discuss next cell organelle, mitochondria. Under microscope, mitochondria are visible as small sphere or rods distributed in the cytoplasm. And mitochondria are membrane-bound organelle. It means mitochondria are present in eukaryotic cell but absent in prokaryotic cell. Mitochondria have two membrane covering, outer membrane and inner membrane. Outer membrane is very porous and inner membrane is deeply folded. Inner membrane is deeply folded and these folds are known as cristae. And the space between the cristae is filled with dense fluid known as mitochondrial matrix. Next is mitochondria have their own DNA. What is the full form of DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. Mitochondria have their own DNA and ribosomes. Ribosomes का function क्या होता है? Protein synthesis. अगर माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के पास अपने राइबोसोम्स हैं, it means mitochondria are able to make their own proteins. Next, very important, mitochondria are known as powerhouse of cell. Mitochondria are site of aerobic respiration. They use oxygen and bring out the oxidation of food present in the cells to carbon dioxide and water. And the oxidation of food क्या करता है? It releases energy. It means the energy required for various chemical activities needed for life is released by mitochondria in the form of ATP. ATP की full form क्या होती है? Adenosine triphosphate. And ATP is known as energy currency of cell. And the body uses energy stored in ATP for making new chemical compounds and for mechanical work. Mitochondria are also known as storage batteries of cell. Storage batteries of cell. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में हमने क्या पढ़ा है? फर्स्ट कि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया हैव टू मेम्ब्रेन कवरिंग, आउटर मेम्ब्रेन एंड इनर मेम्ब्रेन, and folds of inner membranes are known as cristae, and these cristae creates a large surface area for ATP generating chemical reactions. Mitochondria have their own DNA and ribosomes, and mitochondria are able to make some of their own proteins. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को हम पावर हाउस ऑफ सेल भी कहते हैं, स्टोरेज बैटरीज ऑफ सेल भी कहते हैं. And the energy required for various chemical activities needed for the life is released by mitochondria in the form of ATP. And full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. ATP is energy currency of cell. Now next, cell organelle, plastids. Plastids are present only in plant cells. Plastids are absent in animal cell. This is the point of difference between plant cell and animal cell. Plastids are present in plant cell, absent in animal cell. There are two types of plastids. First, leucoplast, that is colorless plastids. अब फंक्शन क्या होता है ल्यूकोप्लास्ट का प्लांट सेल में? Leucoplast store food in the form of starch, oils and proteins. Next type of plastids, chromoplast, that are colored plastids. अगर green color है उनका तो हम कहते हैं chloroplast, which absorb sunlight energy with the help of green coloring pigment chlorophyll. Clear? Plastids are present only in plant cell. These are of two types, leucoplast and chromoplast. Green plastids are known as chloroplast. Chloroplasts are lens-shaped, oval and spherical organelles. Like mitochondria, chloroplast is double membrane cell organelle, outer membrane and inner membrane. Double membrane. The closed flattened membrane bound sacs are known as thylakoids. These thylakoids are arranged in piles. Piles of coins are known as grana, और singular की बात करें तो granum. And each granum contains green coloring pigment chlorophyll. And stroma or matrix is a colorless granular substance. Chloroplasts are a site of photosynthesis. Therefore, these are known as kitchen of cells. Like mitochondria, plastids also have their own DNA and ribosomes. Like mitochondria, plastids have their own deoxyribonucleic acid and ribosomes. Nucleic acids. अगर इनके पास भी अपने राइबोसोम्स हैं, it means plastids are able to make their own proteins. Mitochondria and plastids both have their own DNA and ribosomes. So these are known as semi-autonomous organelle. Mitochondria and plastids are known as semi-autonomous organelles. Now, functions of plastids. Chloroplast help in photosynthesis. Chromoplast, colored plastids impart the colors to flower, which helps to attract the insects for pollination. And leucoplast, जो colorless plastids है, store food in the form of starch, fats and proteins. Next हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं वैक्यूल्स. वैक्यूल्स आर स्मॉल साइज्ड इन एनिमल सेल. अब एनिमल सेल में जो वैक्यूल्स होते हैं उनका साइज क्या होता है? स्मॉल. These are the vacuoles present in animal cells. And plant cell has large vacuole. ये आपका point of difference हो गया between animal cell and plant cell. Vacuoles are small sized in animal cell while plant cells have very large vacuole. The central vacuole of some plant cell may occupy 50 to 90% of cell volume. And nucleus is pushed to one side by central vacuole present in plant cell. Vacuoles are fluid-filled sac bounded by membrane known as tonoplast. अब जो fluid filled है vacuole में उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Cell sap. And this cell sap consists of water and various other substances like amino acids, minerals, sugar and organic acids. Functions of vacuoles. In plant cell, vacuoles are full of cell sap, therefore provide turgidity and rigidity to the cell. And in single-celled organism like amoeba, food vacuoles contain food items. In some unicellular organisms, some specialized vacuole also play important role in expelling the excess water and some waste from the cell. Make this flow chart in your bio notebook, showing the different components of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. What are eukaryotic cells? Eukaryotic cells are large in size And in eukaryotic cell, nuclear region well defined hota hai, and it is surrounded by nuclear membrane. More than one chromosomes present, and all the membrane bound cell organelles present in eukaryotic cell. For example, plant cell and animal cell. अब कंपोनेंट्स कौन से होते हैं यूकैरियोटिक सेल के? फर्स्ट, सेल मेम्ब्रेन और प्लाज्मा. सेल मेम्ब्रेन क्या होती है? फ्लेक्सिबल एंड इट इज मेड अप ऑफ लिपिड्स एंड प्रोटीन्स. इसमें हमने डिस्कस किया डिफ्यूजन एंड ऑस्मोसिस. नेक्स्ट कंपोनेंट ऑफ यूकैरियोटिक सेल, सेल वॉल. It is present only in plant cell, absent in animal cell. Plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. And the next component of eukaryotic cell, nucleus. Fourth, cell organelles. First हमने cell organelle डिस्कस किया है, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulums are of two types. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम क्या सिंथेसाइज करता है? लिपिड्स. एंड रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम सिंथेसाइज प्रोटीन्स ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ राइबोसोम ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. नेक्स्ट, सेल ऑर्गेनेली, राइबोसोम्स. Ribosomes are protein factory of cell. राइबोसोम प्रोटीन सिंथेसाइज करते हैं. थर्ड, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया are also known as powerhouses of cell or storage batteries of cell. Next, cell organelle, plastids. Plastids जो होते हैं एनिमल सेल में क्या होते हैं? एब्सेंट. इट इज प्रेजेंट ओनली इन प्लांट सेल. क्लोरोप्लास्ट आर नोन एज किचन ऑफ cell. Next, cell organelle, Golgi apparatus. In plant cell, it is present in the form of dictyosomes. Next, cell organelle, lysosome. Lysosomes are also known as suicidal bag of cell. नेक्स्ट कौन सा ऑर्गेनेली हमने डिस्कस किया है? वैक्यूल. Vacuoles are storage sac for solid and liquid content. Vacuoles are small sized in animal cells, while plant cells have very large vacuoles. Mitochondria and plastids. Both organelles have double membrane covering and both have their own DNA and ribosomes. What is full form of DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. That's why these are known as semi-autonomous organelles. Next, prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells are small in size, and in this case, nuclear material is in direct contact with cytoplasm. इसलिए हम उसको क्या कहते हैं? Nucleoid. And single chromosome present in it, and all the membrane-bound cell organelles में क्या होते हैं? Absent. Now, what are the various components of prokaryotic cell? First, cell membrane. Second, cytoplasm, and only ribosome is present in it. All the membrane bound cell organelles are absent. and third component of prokaryotic cell, nucleoid. Note down all these components in your bio notebook in the form of flowchart. Now we are going to discuss in-text questions of page number 65, NCERT, page number 65. First is, can you name two organelles we have studied that contain their own genetic material? Can you name two organelles we have studied that contain their own genetic material? Sirjan Kaur.
Mitochondria and plastids.
Right, mitochondria and plastid. Mitochondria and plastids. Next is, if the organization of cell is destroyed due to some physical or chemical influence, what will happen? We know cell is a complete unit. Cell is a structural and functional unit of life. If organization of cell is destroyed, then cell will not be able to perform the basic functions. Basic functions means respiration, digestion, and cleaning waste material. It means cell will die soon. Next, why are lysosomes known as suicide bag? Answer is on page number 64 and 65. Why are lysosomes known as suicidal bag of cell? Lysosomes contain powerful digestive enzyme and capable of breaking down all the organic materials present in the cell. And during the disturbance in the cellular metabolism, when the cell get damaged, all the lysosome present in the cell may burst and enzyme digest their own cell. That's why lysosome are known as suicidal bag of cell. Next, where are proteins synthesized inside the cell? Where are proteins synthesized inside the cell? Nami. Where are proteins synthesized inside the cell? Sirjan Kaur.
Ribosomes.
Right. Ribosomes. Question number 4. What would happen to the cell if there was no Golgi apparatus? आपको पहले गोल्गी apparatus के functions पता होने चाहिए. Now, what are the functions of Golgi apparatus? The material synthesized near endoplasmic reticulum is dispatched to various targets inside and outside the cell through Golgi apparatus. Next function क्या होता है Golgi apparatus का? To store, modify and packing the products in vesicles. And complex sugar made from simple sugar in Golgi apparatus, or Golgi apparatus involved in the formation of lysosomes. अगर Golgi apparatus नहीं होगा तो ये functions भी नहीं होंगे. Clear? Next is, which organelle is known as powerhouse of cell and why?
Ma'am, mitochondria, because it is the main center of synthesis of ATP.
What is full form of ATP?
Ma'am, I can't remember.
ATP की फुल फॉर्म होती है अडीनोसाइन ट्राइफॉस्फेट.
Okay, ma'am.
अडीनोसाइन ट्राइफॉस्फेट. ठीक है साहिल?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the full form of ATP?
Adenosine triphosphate.
It is the energy currency of cell. Where do lipids and proteins constituting the cell membrane get synthesized? Where do lipids and proteins get synthesized? सेल में लिपिड्स एंड प्रोटीन्स कहां सिंथेसाइज हो रहे हैं? वंश तुगल.
मैम एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम.
एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम सिंथेसाइज क्या करता है? लिपिड्स.
लिपिड्स.
एंडोप्लाज्मिक
प्रोटीन. रफ
रेटिकुलम और रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम में क्या होता है?
प्रोटीन.
सिंथेसिस है
प्रोटीन्स.
प्रोटीन्स की. व्हाई? ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ राइबोसोम्स.
राइबोसोम्स.
राइट.
राइबोसोम्स.
स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम क्या सिंथेसाइज करते हैं? लिपिड्स. रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम क्या सिंथेसाइज करते हैं? प्रोटीन्स. ड्यू टू राइबोसोम्स.
राइबोसोम्स.
राइट बेटा. नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 66 ऑफ एनसीईआरटी. पेज नंबर 66. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, राइट डाउन द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन प्लांट सेल एंड एनिमल सेल्स. Differences between plant cell and animal cells. Write on the parameters to differentiate between plant cell and animal cell. First, cell wall. Cell wall present in plant cell, absent in animal cell. Next, parameter to differentiate plastids present in plant cell, absent in animal cell. Third, vacuole. Vacuoles are small size in animal cell, and in plant cell vacuoles are large sized. And fourth, nucleus. अब प्लांट सेल में जो वैक्यूल है उसका साइज ज्यादा होता है, जिसकी वजह से जो न्यूक्लियस है वो सेल के साइड पे चला जाता है. सो इन प्लांट सेल न्यूक्लियस कहाँ प्रेजेंट है? पेरिफेरी पे. एंड इन एनिमल सेल न्यूक्लियस कहाँ प्रेजेंट होता है? सेंटर में. Then fifth point parameter, Golgi apparatus. In plant cell जो Golgi apparatus present होते हैं वो किस फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट होते हैं? डिक्टियोसोम्स की फॉर्म में. So these are the points of differences between plant cell and animal cell. Next is differences between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cell. Differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell small in size and साइज कितना होता है इसका 1 to 10 माइक्रोमीटर μm. लार्ज साइज 5 to 100 micrometer. In this case, a single chromosome. And in eukaryotes, more than one chromosomes present. In prokaryotic cell, membrane bound cell organelles क्या होते हैं absent, and in this case membrane bound cell organelle क्या होते हैं present. And the fourth point of difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell is the genetic material is not surrounded by nuclear membrane. It is in direct contact with cytoplasm. And genetic material is known as nucleoid. And in eukaryotic cell, nuclear material is surrounded by nuclear membrane.